Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? I hope you people are doing great. My friend, today I am going to share how I improved my English in just 3 months. Yeah, my friend, I got a lot of comment. People keep asking Sachin, how you improved your English? What method do you use? So, my friend, in this video, I am going to share how I improved my English in just 3 months. My friend, I always tell you, English is just a language. Anyone can learn this language. Okay, just depend on your time. How many time do you spend with your English? Okay, so my friend, 3 months ago, there was a time when I attended some interviews. So I rejected there because of this language. That time my English was not very good. Then I realized, oh my God, I had technical skill, but I couldn't express myself in English. I couldn't communicate in English. Then I decided I would not ignore this language anymore. First, I completed my basic grammar. Basic grammar being present, past, and future. Only basic grammar. You don't need to go on advanced level grammar, okay? Just complete. I have just completed my first basic grammar, and after completed basic grammar, I started listening English. Whenever I watch any video, I try to watch in English. After completed my basic grammar, I started listening English. I started watching English videos, English podcast, English movies. Yeah, and the first time it felt very uncomfortable and I couldn't understand anything. I couldn't understand any sentences. But after trying this for one week, and I realized, oh my God, I am able to understand English. Yeah, it is true that I couldn't understand everything, but I could understand a part of that movies, only a small part. However, I kept watching English videos, English podcast, and English movies. And then after 1 month, after 2 months, I feel I created a English environment surround me. Every day I listen English, every day I read English, then I started speaking. I started automatically started English. I don't know why it was happening with me, but yeah, it is true. I automatically started speaking. Then I started speaking. I was afraid making a mistake. I couldn't put a word in sentence. I confuse a lot. Sometimes I forget word. Sometimes I don't know the word how to explain it. But yes, bro, nobody becomes a successful fluent speaker. Nobody nobody get fluency without make mistakes. Okay, so I keep I keep trying. After 2 months, I found something important that completely changed my English practice way. I found an application Discord. I hope you people know about Discord. Discord is a platform, is a server. There you can talk with people from different countries anywhere over all wide. Actually, I was asking to ChatGPT that tell me some website, tell me some application. There I can practice English with people. Then ChatGPT suggests me Discord, Talk for free, many applications. ChatGPT suggests me, but I have chosen Discord. After installation Discord, I started speaking English with people from different countries, and now I feel very happy every day. I used to talk with people through Discord. And my friend, to be honest, since I started using Discord, my English has improved a lot. Yeah, I know my vocabulary not, I don't know more vocabularies. My pronunciation is not good, but my friend, something has changed. Now I can speak with anyone with confidence. Still, I practice every day English through Discord, and still I watch English movies, English videos, and on one more important thing, guys. Now I feel whenever I watch English video, I feel very good. I feel oh my God, it give me energy, give me when you understand over whole video, you feel very good. Oh my God, I feel oh my God, now I am able to speak English. Let me my example, bro. You can see today I am making this video in English, but I have never thought that one day I would be speaking English, but today I speak in English because of my practice. Okay, so I would like to suggest you Discord application. Use one time, bro. You can speak with people from different countries. Even some people, most of people are from our country. I'm in India. So far, I have made a lot of friends on my Discord platform, and every day I used to talk with them. So one person sent me a message, Sachin, how do you practice? So then I decided I should make a video about this topic. And one more thing, I have one more suggestion for you. Use ChatGPT. ChatGPT also help a lot. Okay, and whenever any doubt come into your mind, you can ask anything with ChatGPT. Okay, so my friend, today in this video I have shared with you only two methods, only two applications. First, Discord. Second, ChatGPT. Use Discord from today, not tomorrow, and enjoy your conversation. And my friend, don't try to be perfect. Try try to be consistent. Okay, because consistency is a very important key of achieve any skill of achieve any skill. Okay, so don't wait for perfect grammar, don't wait for perfect pronunciation, just start speaking today. Okay, don't wait for, and one important thing, don't compare yourself with other. Okay, I have seen Whenever people see others to speak in English, they start thinking, oh my god, he is speaking English very well. I will not speak English like this. But you don't see the practice behind behind his fluency. Okay, so nobody become fluent speaker. Nobody get fluency in 1 month and 2 months. Just practice every single day. Okay, and as I told you, three method. First, complete your basic grammar. Second, listening to English, everything, whatever videos you watch, try to watch in English with subtitle. You can use subtitle. And third is speaking. Just three part. You divide your journey in just three parts. First, complete your basic grammar. Second, listening, and third, speaking. It is a language, it take a long time, okay? Just keep practicing every day. Just keep listening English every day. I promise you will improve definitely. So my friend, if you are new here, so I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sachin. I am from Uttar Pradesh, but currently I live in Mumbai because of my work. And I started learning English because of my job. 3 months ago, as I already told you in my video, 3 months ago I attended some interviews, but I rejected because of this language. That time I am not very good in English, so I decided I have to learn this language. And that is why I am learning this language. And my friend, you if you think that English is just a language, so you are completely wrong, because English is not just a language. Sometimes English become a bridge between you and your dream. Okay, so learn english learn english. You can communicate with anyone. And one more benefit of this language, if you can speak in English, you can survive anywhere. You can survive anywhere in this world. Okay, so guys, if you learned something new from this video, so don't forget like this video and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep improving, and keep English speaking. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.